but I'm starving. Food would be good. Otherwise, I wouldn't eat. Where are we going?
Sushi.
Sushi. I eat lots. So, this is the first of a long series of leaving Halmstad to drive to Germany. We have no bookings, we have no clue where we're going, we just have an idea of how and where to get.
What we want to try to
where
do.
we want to maybe try to do. So this is going to be a cannonball run from Halmstad all the way to Germany through Denmark.
Yeah.
So, are you excited?
Yeah.
And Sarah's driving. So
First bit.
The first bit of God knows where. So we're now just leaving Halmstad to get onto the Swedish Autobahn to Malmö. Hej då!
Okej. Bana 4. Tack så mycket.
Thank you.
Lane 4 is ours.
Yeah, cool.
And I asked about the bridge, so that's the bridge ticket, one of them.
So we have
which we need to scan.
Bridge ticket.
Bridge, so that goes in there.
Up here.
Important things.
Important shelf.
Yeah.
Important shelf. Where are we, Sarah?
Helsingborg.
Helsingborg, and where are we going?
Helsingør.
Helsingør. I get those two mixed up so much, it's insane.
You've never been to Helsingør?
No, I've never been to Helsingør. It's Denmark.
No, yeah. Quickest way to Denmark. Haven't even been out for an hour yet.
I know, right? We're pretty much at Denmark.
Yeah.
That's if we ever get past here.
It's 20 minutes on the ferry.
Only 20 minutes? Jeez.
It's only 3Ks across.
Not enough time to sort of sit down, have a cup of tea and do anything.
No, you go up, you have a watch, and then you go down and sit in your car.
Wow. Fun.
Drive off.
What have we done?
Stop. It burns me. So, no, not all the way up. Stop.
I'm not touching that. That was all you. It's automatic. See? Auto. I don't think we're anywhere else but on deck 3. Wait. Go.
Okay. Okay. Are you with me, babe? Where are we?
We're on a boat with our car in the bottom deck and we're going to Denmark. Whoa, it's high.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Shit, yeah. This is fantastic. You can get higher.
Huh?
You can get higher.
Yeah.
This is great.
Yeah, you see why I said I didn't want to take the bridge twice?
This is great.
Yeah.
It kind of sucks that we don't have.
We just started moving.
We have. I think we got disconnected because we're like wobbling now.
Huh?
This is great.
Is this mine too?
Yeah.
I get the ones with the engine. Both of them.
What have you got?
Skulks. Skalkarna.
Skalkarna. Didn't we, Sarah?
Yeah, Germany, Denmark, here we go.
So we just took shelter on the boat because it is really cold in the middle now. Really windy. But it's fantastic. In the sun it's massively nice and warm. Hey, the back is a lot more sheltered.
Yeah.
Let's go get a picture of Sweden.
All right, babe, where are we?
We're in Denmark, going along the scenic route, like the Great Ocean Road. It's just beautiful. There's Sweden. We're basically going down the coast
to Copenhagen.
To Copenhagen to go get a coffee. Where are we, Elsling?
Somewhere in Denmark.
Somewhere in Denmark.
Between Helsingør and
Copenhagen. We just randomly stopped at this place. Thought, hey, this is good, stop here. And then all of a sudden, this is the view. It's fantastic. We got birds, trees, everything. And it's beautiful. That was beautiful. So. Sarah didn't finish her dish.
No, so did you not either?
It was fantastic.
Fantastic. We should have shared though.
We should have really shared, shouldn't we? And that's our view. In the Denmark. Should we go out there?
Go out where?
On to the point.
Oh yeah.
Where are we now, Sarah?
Denmark.
Denmark.
Between Helsingør and Copenhagen.
Helsingør. And how long have we been here?
We had the biggest meal ever.
We had ginormous nachos, and
we could have shared. I'm surprised. It said like a lunch dish, like for one person. So I'm like, okay, let's take one each. Oh my god, we didn't even eat half.
We can barely finish it. So now I think we're in the bath section of Denmark.
Yeah. Okay.
Because there's like so many.
But all the way between Helsingør and Copenhagen, there's like little.
That's where we came from. That's the direction we're heading.
Well, we're heading slightly inland.
Inland,
the
then down. And then we're gonna head all the way in. Look at that.
Gonna go down and touch it?
Nay.
Nay.
Waiting to my other when we come back, our bathing, our cannonball run home.
Yeah, maybe we go down. I'm actually not too keen. I'm so full. I'm just.
I'm full. I would float. I would instantly just sort of like sit there and go like, ugh, I can't breathe.
Well,
I would be the boy.
If we don't find any decent food place tonight, I think we'll be fine with just a little bit more chocolate and then fall asleep. Because there was like the meal of the biggest meal of the day.
I don't think we'll eat much more after
Like
today.
how often do I leave something on my plate? Sarah leaves something on her plate?
She left a plate of plates, like a whole fucking plate. It was full.
Less than you, then.
How's that?
I left less than him. Less
I want to touch the sand.
Yeah, he's touching the sand. Can you see him?
Thin.
Yeah.
Fine. Very fine.
Yeah. Can you imagine when it's windy and it goes all over? How was your coffee?
Fantastic, man. Danish coffees are pretty good, eh? Like, honestly. They get cold quick, but damn, they taste a ton time better than Sweden.
Oh.
Sweden coffees are pretty bad.
Oh.
So if you're a coffee drinker, do not
Well, it's because
get coffee in Sweden.
Swedish people only have the black coffee.
Terrible coffee. It's not even coffee. It's like vomit. It's like instant vomit.
No, it's like the black coffee.
I love how kids
I
are
don't
always
think
in
I
the
need the
background.
sunnies now.
Me neither. Hey door.
Hey, door.
Next, Germany? Germany.